What's up, YouTube? This is James coming back at you with another informative video. I hope you guys are doing well out there on this beautiful Thursday. Doing well myself. Well, apparently yesterday in a Las Vegas, Nevada courtroom, a judge was assaulted, okay, by a defendant by the name of Deborah Redden. He was 30 years old. And what it boils down to, old dude didn't like his sentence. He was being sentenced actually for battery as it was, okay? Attempted battery charge, that is. He was being sentenced. And he made matters worse for himself by actually Supermaning over the podium to attack Mary Kay Holthus, the judge herself. Without further ado, let's check this video out and then we'll finish the commentary.
This is the shocking moment a man attacked a Las Vegas judge in her own courtroom. Clark County District Court Judge Mary Kay Holthus was in the middle of sentencing 30-year-old Deborah Redden to prison for attempted battery for substantial bodily harm when he unexpectedly jumped over both the defense table and judge's bench and tackled her. Court officials and attorneys jumping to the judge's aid. All of it caught on this courtroom video.
Is she okay?
A court marshal appearing injured as officers eventually subdued the defendant while helping the judge get back to her feet before escorting her out. The terrifying attack, just the latest security scare for judges nationwide. Last year, a man shot and killed a state judge at his home in Maryland after the judge ruled against him in a child custody case. While in 2020, there was a horrifying attack in New Jersey, where a disgruntled lawyer targeted federal judge Esther Salas, showing up at her home, shooting her husband multiple times, and killing her 20-year-old son. Judge Salas told Savannah about her efforts to help better protect the personal information of judges in a law named after her son Daniel that has since been passed.
What are you hoping will happen now?
What I'm hoping will happen now is that we will expand these protections nationwide. This is a matter of life or death.
Wednesday's incident now raising new questions about security in courtrooms. In a statement, the Las Vegas court saying, "We are reviewing all our protocols and will do whatever is necessary to protect the judiciary, the public, and our employees." And according to the court, the judge who was assaulted experienced some injuries and is being monitored. The marshal who was injured was transported to the hospital, believed to be in stable condition this morning. As for the defendant, that attacker, well, he now faces additional charges. Craig.
Well, now, if this doesn't teach people of this caliber of job not to get too comfortable and complacent in their profession, I don't know what else to tell them. Because you see, this judge sit up there in her pride and actually took for granted that there wasn't going to be anybody who would dare come in there and leap over the podium and attack her. You understand? And then on top of that, you have these Coca-Cola drinking, donut eating, fat, you understand, guards, whatever you want to call them, you understand, court bailiffs, were too slow. Hell, the judge herself was too slow. She seen this guy coming. And the thought was to just break to the right. You understand? But it just wasn't fast enough. You understand? But the situation is like this. I feel like this dude, made matters worse for himself. He should have just chilled, went ahead, took the damn sentence, and been done with it. But now look, just because he attacked this judge, they are going to make an example out of him. They're going to make a big example of him, big time, to anyone else who would dare, leap over a podium and attack a judge. You understand? It's one of those things that you don't think that you'll ever see. But in these end times, people are going for broke. They don't care. They feel like they don't have nothing to lose anyway, for a lot of people. And I guess 30-year-old Deborah Redden was one of those people that think like that. Don't mind stacking bricks high enough up on him for them to topple over on him to pretty much destroy him. And that's just basically what it is right here. Because let's say, for example, if he was going to get a year for this attempted assault charge that he was, initially up there for, well, now they could be talking life now, just because he dared to do this. He actually jumped over the podium and attacked his judge. That was not smart. It really wasn't, But nevertheless, he did it anyway. I don't really know much can be said about the situation other than it was stupid. It was definitely stupid. As for Judge Halthus, I think that's her name. Maybe you want to rethink being a judge, you know what I'm saying? Because you're not safe anywhere. And, just because, like I said, you were sitting up there on that podium in your black robe and you felt like you had all these guards around you and you were safe, well, you wasn't, just like that. You was proven wrong. And that's just what it is, you know what I mean? This is not safe, Judges are starting to be hunted. And that's basically what it is. Hell, you even got some judges hunting people themselves. I come across a story where a judge had like all these guns and ammunition and is alleged to have shot his wife, over some kind of argument. I was thinking about covering that story. I just haven't got to it yet. Since we're on this topic of judges, I figured I would bring it up. But yeah, it's going both ways, really. But hey, as time increases, you're going to see more situations like this. Judges, prosecutors, attorneys, you are not safe. So don't be, complacent and just thinking everything's straight and nothing can touch you. Because just like this guy right here showed you, yeah, you can be touched. That's just what it is. That's all I got on this one, people. I want you guys to tell me what you think about this particular situation right here. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on it in the comment section. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, people. Please remember to live your life as though we're being watched. Simply because we are. This is James, and I'm out. Peace.